Alright, I'm not doing that anymore. Alright, welcome back to another study video, day 3. I can't do it too much. I'm gonna explain what's been going on. What happened yesterday or today, actually. Sorry, I was just checking something. Alright, so if you're wondering, last night, day 2, the camera stopped at the end of the video. I don't know why. I don't know if I like hit a button on my keyboard that makes the video stop because it was in the dark. I don't know. I was talking and then it just stopped. I didn't do a part 2 because there was really no reason to. Anyway, today's probably going to be the shortest video for the studying. Not when I mean short, like like the shortest studying video of the week. Might be just only an hour because I'm starting this video a little late. The reason why is because today is my mom's birthday and we went out to eat for like over 2 hours. I think we stayed there a little too long. And you're wondering, oh, you should have done this before. Yeah, well, I didn't really want to because, we just got back from school. I kind of want to rest. But it is what it is. But anyway, so it's going to be a little short. It's not going to be 2 hours, but maybe a little over an hour, maybe an hour and a half most. So, yeah. Oh, yeah. So, yep, we're studying math one more time, geometry. Oh, yeah, and I took one half of it. How was it? It was actually not that bad. I'm not going to lie. It wasn't that much, but I think tomorrow might be more. There was three big writing problems straight. So I'm like, oh, shoot. But those take a while, because especially for math, when you have to think about it. And, they gave us scratch sheets, so I have to, I scratch work, plan it out. And I have to, tell them, my explanation and show my work. So I did all that. And it was a lot of typing. But I don't think I did bad. I mean, I know it doesn't show the score when you're finished, but I think I did all right. So yeah, nothing really bad. So I'm gonna study more just in case. And then tomorrow will be the last one. That's because I missed the first part of biology. Yeah, because I was sent to the wrong room, and then they didn't do anything about it until the next day. So I don't have a problem with that. Science, that was a pain. Lots of stuff to read. Took over 4 hours. The math, it only took just a little over 2 hours. That's it. So it might be tomorrow. I don't know how many questions, but we'll see. Anyway, so that's what happened. And yeah, so we're gonna go straight to it, I guess. Go straight to math. And yes, you're probably wondering if you haven't seen yesterday, because I don't think I won't be surprised that you didn't. You're wondering why I did that weird walk at the beginning, because it was funny yesterday. And 2, I told my friend about it. Remember that little phone call I had? I might just take that part of that big video and upload it on a separate part. So yeah, we're talking about this big gay student that walks so weird and that I can't stop looking at him, and I copied his walk. And you're not going to believe what I'm about to say. We were in the same testing room. and like we didn't sit next to each other because we're not allowed to because we might cheat. And when he finished, he snored pretty loud like a freaking pig, a gay pig. Is there such thing as a gay pig? Then I'm like, oh no, please don't snore, because he finished before me and I'm still working and I can't really concentrate when he's snoring. But he stopped after a while, so yeah. Anyway, that's what happened. So we're just gonna go straight into it because it's gonna be a pretty short video. I'm probably gonna turn off the light right now, probably in a bit. So yeah, my new high school friend might check these out. So, two more today and tomorrow. This is the busiest week of school. Nothing but testing. Yep. Oh man, I think I have to poop. I don't want to poop though, because that's just a waste of time, especially on a night like this. Yeah, we ate. I ate like steak and fries. It was kind of a lot, and shrimp. It's a good dinner, and I have a feeling I have to poop. I don't want to poop. I'm sorry if this may sound really strange. Okay, I finally Google Chrome took a while to load. Not sure why it did that, but yeah. Let's check my phone real quick. My knee feels weird all of a sudden. Is it because I'm bending down? I'm not gonna call anyone because it's too late. So yeah, my freaking knee hurts. I don't know why. I just bent down. What the heck? Why is Google Chrome doing this? Okay, this is weird. Dang, almost 8 minutes in the video, and I barely said anything. Well, I said some, but I didn't thought it would be 8 minutes. Whoa, why is Google Chrome black? Whoa, do you see this? It's like night mode. Whoa, unless if it's a glitch. Let me take a look at this, guys. I don't know if you guys can see it. Is this the new Google Chrome? Oh shoot. Oh, sorry. I didn't mean to do that. Oh, sorry about that light. You know what? I'm gonna turn off the light right now. I'm gonna do that. Oh shoot, it's night mode. Look, it's black. When did this happen? Like today, after school, I was on Google Chrome and it was white. Wait a minute. Is there like a setting to turn that off? I want to keep it on though. But if there is a setting to actually turn that off. Let's see. New tab, history, no. Is it more tools? No. Is it edit? No. I guess it's settings. I'm pretty sure it is. I hope you guys can see what I'm saying. Yeah, you guys can. Uh, I guess advance. This literally just happened. No wonder it took a while to load. Let me see something. If I type in like Google, is it gonna turn black again? Oh, it's white. Oh, it's just like the top part. Whoa, that's cool though. Google. What do you call that top part? Tabs? Shoot. Wait. It's hard to see what I'm typing. Dark mode. Oh, this is from August 2nd, 2018? And you're finally doing this to me? Or maybe this is like for everyone now. I don't know. Chrome Web Store. Do I need to buy this or something? Nah, I can't buy this. I like this though. Sometimes my eyes will get kind of bright. I know the screen I'm looking at is white, but look, I don't even need to add this to Chrome because it already did that. Oh, that was kind of cool, I guess. I don't think there's a setting where you can turn that off, but I'm sure no one has a problem with this. Wait, if I go on YouTube, yeah, I have YouTube on dark theme. Let's see how will that look. That might look kind of cool. Because YouTube, there's a setting where you can turn the dark theme off or night mode, whatever it is. Same thing with your Nintendo Switch. See, dark theme turns the light surfaces of the page dark, creating an experience ideal for night. Try it out. This was a new thing I think last year. I'm not even. I'm on my my main account. All right, I'm gonna put the camera back. I know you guys are not gonna see me. I'm probably gonna play some videos from Khan Academy or YouTube. So yes, this video is gonna be a little short this time. Actually, if I do this, if I go, this is kind of cool. I'm not gonna lie. Here we go. All right, I'm gonna check some stuff. So sorry if this video is gonna be kind of quiet. I kind of have to go to bed probably in an hour at the most. I don't want to poop. If I do poop, probably before I sleep. Let me switch to my main account. Shout out to Jake Smith again for commenting. He said, when does the big test start? Well, it actually started last week with English, and now pretty much this whole week. So, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, if I'm going to play a video, I'll have the sound on so you guys can hear it, because I did that for day one, I think, yeah, and the sound wasn't that bad. You guys can actually hear the video, so that's good. Oop. So how was your day been? Let me know if you guys, I'm sure everyone's started testing by now, but if you guys are done, when's the last day of school? I don't know, this might not be a good time to ask questions. I might do that like in a live stream. Yeah, but for me, next week is the finals. Well, not the beginning. I think Thursday, and then I think the last week of school will be all half days, if I'm correct. But yeah. See, look, today I didn't know if it was gonna be an A day or B day. We have two different days. So Wednesday is a C day. So I reported. It's usually report to your first block, and I did, but wrong student. So I went to my fifth block, and I did not notice because one of the administrators posted at 6:27 this morning that today's a B day. That is way too late. You're supposed to say that like the day before. And 6:27, a lot of people already out of the house, like in their buses. So I didn't know. All right. Well, I'm probably gonna see. I might. I'm gonna just watch some YouTube videos about math or Khan Academy. See if anyone's on Discord. Probably too late. I'm sorry you guys can't see me. I kind of like being in the dark, like at night with night mode. um, the last or the end of the school year is coming up, guys. Can't wait. It's usually around my birthday too, so yeah, my birthday is May 19th, so it'll probably be. It's usually May 20 something. When I had a phone call with my friend when he's in 11th grade, but he's done with his testing. And last year when he was in 10th grade, when he took the geometry, he said it was hard. So we were talking about it. So far, it's not completely hard, but maybe could be tomorrow. But you know what? I got this. Don't worry about it. Okay, Discord's not loading. Discord already has a night mode or dark theme. I think all of these social medias should have it. Google, YouTube, Facebook should get it. Instagram should get it, and Twitter, because all their pages are white. I mean, it has to be either white or black. You don't want to have like a blue screen. Not that kind of blue screen or red screen, whatever. That's just weird. I guess Discord's not loading. I don't think anyone's gonna be online at this time anyway. So I don't know what to study though for math. Like most of the stuff that we did is on paper, so I might need to turn back on my lights and look at them. Like I said, you never really know what's going to be on what exactly it's going to be on the test, like these questions. Anyway, the good thing about these testing days, they go by kind of fast, so nothing really to worry about. Don't get really stressed out. That's what my friend told me, and he's right. So, and always, if you eat breakfast, I don't really eat breakfast. That's kind of dumb, right? But for testing, I definitely do eat it. And if you do eat breakfast, eat more breakfast. Like, try and eat more. And water. Like, sometimes these students, they eat, like, junk food and soda in the morning. That is ridiculous. I never do that. I don't drink soda in the morning. I drink it at night or afternoon. And snacks, same thing. I eat like a healthy breakfast. Or like a normal breakfast. Okay, I don't know. Discord, hello? Load up, you son of a bitch. Anyway, yeah, that gay dude, his name is Tommy. And my friend, when I called him, or when he called me, he wants me to like do a separate video. And dude, we did a funny school video. I'm not gonna spoil it, but I completely forgot to upload it. I always told him, yeah, I'm gonna upload it, but I never did. I was so lazy. Oh well, it is what it is. Oh man, I don't feel like studying, but I will. I have like an hour left. Well, guys, I might listen to music. If I'm gonna watch a video, I'll let you know. So you know what I should do? I might just pause the video because there's really no reason for me to keep playing the video in the dark without talking or playing a video. That's usually why I have it dark, so you can, instead of not looking at me and instead of not listening to anything, I would play a video or talk. But right now, I'm not gonna talk right now. I'm just gonna like think about some stuff. So I'll be right back, guys. I'll let you know when I'm gonna talk. Okay, guys, I'm back. I'm probably going to end the video soon because it's getting kind of a little late. I'm just gonna go through my bag and look all the papers that we did. So, yep. Again, sorry this video is kind of short, but oh well, it doesn't really matter. I thought today will be a lot longer, but tomorrow will be, definitely. This is an English book. See, we got this book here. We have two books. This is the second one. Eureka Math. The problem is I don't really want to find for like the pages that we did, so I don't know. This is sort of like a practice book, kind of. So, like, alright, here's a math folder. I remember at the beginning of the school year we studied about angles and then triangle angles, how to solve for all those. Just like basic stuff. Yeah, that's kind of cool. See, there's so much that I can't really remember them all, but I can probably remember most of them at least. Uh, Similar is when they have the same shape but not the same size. Okay, same shape, different size. That's what that means. Okay. I don't know if any of the stuff from the beginning of the school year will be on this. Maybe not, but you never know. That's why I want to look. I know. I could watch some Khan Academy videos, but I'll have to look and see. These are equations. It's like, that's easy. Oh, naming the type of sides of a triangle, like SAS is side angle side, SSS is side side side, ASA is angle side angle. No ass backwards. That's what the teacher means when he says that. No ASS, no angle side side, and no SSA side side angle. That kind of makes sense because it doesn't make sense when you say it. Hopefully tomorrow won't be as bad as today, or hopefully tomorrow will be something like today, like no bad things. Okay, graphing papers. That I think we did quite a bit of those of the types of transformations, such as translation, rotation, dilation, and reflection. That's all easy, I think, because we kind of learned that in middle school, 8th grade. I'm just looking at everything. This is pretty much how I study because we have a bunch of papers. Good thing I never really throw any of them out for math. I kind of did for the other classes because it's old. It's not that important anymore. So this is how I'm gonna study. Just looking at all these sheets that I can remember. That's right. We use quite a bit of the book, but we sometimes we skip a lot of them because I don't think we need to learn it, or it's like extra stuff. These are like some of the vocabulary words. I don't know if we need to learn that too, but parallel lines never intersect have the same slope. Perpendicular lines intersect each other, forming 90-degree angles. Transversals intersects one or more lines in a plane, coordinate plane. Perpendicular lines can be transversals. Okay. Corresponding angles are congruent. Vertical angles are congruent. Supplementary angles add to be 180. And complementary is 90. I don't know if can you guys see what I'm looking at? I don't think you guys can see it clearly, but I might just tell you what I find interesting. Okay. One paper had quite a bit. Triangles. Like, this is all, like, in the first semester. I don't know if it's going to be on here. Could be. This is why you never know. Might as well just look at all of them. Now, list the corresponding sides, angles and sides. Alright, that's easy. Because if I look in the book, I have to, like, turn every page to, like, look at some of the stuff that we wrote. I'm not really going to do that. And I already look everything on the computer. If I have any trouble with any type of math stuff, I can go to Khan Academy or YouTube or something. Okay. Describe in your own words of how to find the center of a rotation given on an image and pre-image. To find the center of rotation given the image, you find out how many degrees is formed, this point to the other. Okay. Do we know circle is 360 degrees? So, oh shoot. I'm not sure proofs are going to be in it. I didn't, well, we had construct and response, but it was sort of like proofs, but it's not really. The question didn't say prove that this angle is congruent to this or something. I didn't really quite have that. I might have that tomorrow. Oh shoot. Well, here's some proof examples. I can't remember all this. I'm just going to try my best. Oh. Draw examples of the following terms. Okay. And it shouldn't be that bad. I think. Dude, this is a lot of papers. It's unbelievable. Mostly angles right here, adjacent angles. Equation, I don't know if equations are going to be on there, so I'm just not looking at that. I already know how to solve that too. Okay. Dude, look at all these papers. You see the stack? It's amazing. It's incredible. And I have way more than this in a different folder. That's about to like break. It's solve for missing angles. See this? Okay, here we go. Proofs. Darn. if there's a actual proof, I'm just gonna like think everything in my head. And the good thing is, it is time, but not for me. In the group I'm in, we get extended time. Oh shoot. So that's good. Okay, angles, triangles. Okay. This is like beginning stuff. What does it mean to bisect something? Bisect means splits into equal parts. Okay. This is circle stuff. I don't think we need this, so. Because we need like a compass to actually draw a circle. Alright. This is like literally the folder. I don't want to spill it, but all these sheets I just look at. All of these. See how much these are? And there's way more. I'm not even done with this folder yet because I'm on this side now. Okay, so this is like labeling the angles. Okay, oh, it also has the answers. So this should be, like when I first learned this, it was kind of hard because I wasn't really learning it good, but now I do, so this shouldn't be that bad. So angles and triangles, you know, triangles add up to be 180, so that shouldn't be that bad, I don't think. It's like a, okay. $50, $60, $120, $120 plus $39, $120. Oh. Yeah, I gotta do mental math. Well, actually, the good thing is we get calculators, I think. Hopefully. If not, then I can just do it on paper. Scratch work. I gotta have scratch sheet for math. Like, we get scratch sheet for English and science, but I did use it very little in science. But for English, who needs scratch work for English? Well, maybe for, like, the constructive response to, like, brainstorm, but I don't think not many people do that. Okay, well, I can't spend too long on this because I need to go to other stuff that might be more important. Okay, that's just labeling angles. That's okay. Alright. Okay, I need to go to a different folder. If you look at this big book I have, this is like the normal book that we use the most. You see this? Like the reason why, you know, I don't want to flip at every page because it's going to be like this. That's going to take like forever. I see some of them that I have. Unless if there's a table of contents, which apparently there isn't. There's no table of contents, so I can't look at that. Unless if it's in the back, which I doubt it. Nope. I'm just gonna look at the folder. It's better than wasting time, so it's right here. Yep, no bags. No bags until I guess Friday? I don't know. Or next week, I think. Or maybe we don't have to bring our bags anymore. Okay, so transformation review. This is what I was talking about. This shouldn't be too bad. So it's telling us, oh yeah, we're not gonna like graph anything. So sorry if I'm talking so weird. I need to be a little quiet. So circles. I'll look at that again, I guess. Chord. Chord. That's segment with endpoints. Ugh. Diameter is a chord that passes through the center of a circle. Radius is any segment with endpoints that are the center and a point on the circle. Okay. So we're pretty much solving the circles. Circles 360 always, so. So this shouldn't be this bad, I don't think. Because, you know, I can't even take this to the test, so I'm just trying to refresh my memory. But we just did those 5 assignments like last week, so that kind of helped me a little bit, but I want to see about all this stuff. Find the endpoint, find the point on NO with ratio of 5 to 7. So if you want to convert a ratio to a fraction, so I got ratio to 5 to 7, that is equal to 5 over 12 in a fraction. So you basically take the first number of the ratio, which is 5, and then you add 5 plus 7 of the ratio. So 5 is the numerator, and if you add the ratio together, 5 plus 7 equals 12. 12 is the denominator. So I did rise over run, or no, I did rise first. Y2 minus Y1. So I convert those. And same thing with x run y or x2 minus x2 minus x1. And after that, you take the first number of the of each uh, coordinate. Yeah, then you add them. It's kind of hard to explain. It's better if I like if I was actually a teacher, I would like write this stuff on the board instead of just reading it. So yeah, I don't have a whiteboard. I think I can get one, but I don't know where to put it though. Like seriously, where would I put it? Let's look around the room. Where would I put the whiteboard? And plus I don't want it too high. So over here we got old school projects. Shoot, sorry about shaking the camera so much. Can't put it up there because it might not fit and it's too high. Batman poster, window, another Batman poster. Angry Bird, I can probably do it over here, but that end table's in the way. Can't do it over here because that's all the bed stuff. I could do it over there under those cheerleaders, but there's an end table there. Can't do it there, so I don't know where to put it, guys. Shoot. Home run. Yeah, watching the game, even though I don't really care about it. I just... Alright, back to this. Yeah, don't worry, I did not mix any of this up. Here we go. Triangle Congruence Worksheet. Okay, these are the sides, like when I labeled them. Alright. Oh, shoot, proofs. I didn't really complete this, but this is complete the triangle congruence statement. That should be easy. Hopefully tomorrow won't be too much, but hopefully it'll be like today, but I don't know. We just don't know. Match the following to the appropriate terms. Let's see here. Congruent is same shape and size, similar, same shape, different size. Isometry, I forgot about that word. Distance preserving transformation. Sine, opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine, that is adjacent over hypotenuse. Tangent, Opposite over adjacent. Tangent. There's a song. I could show you that, but nah. I did on one of my old videos. There was a thumbnail of a video on my phone. Yeah, that was the song. So I think it was like a 20-minute video. So just skim through it. It's called just. I think it's called the. Dang it, what's it called again? Sohcahtoa. It's called Sohcahtoa Song. Look it up. It's that dude with the purple shirt with the glasses. So that's the song. Dude, my math teacher used to play that like all the time, just to torture us. Symbol for congruent. Okay, it's the equal sign with a little zigzag on top, or a little squirrely. Similar, symbol for similar. That sounds weird. Oh wait. Write a proportion that relates to corresponding sides of the triangles. Okay. Solve the missing signs of the triangle. Okay, I think I got this. Let's go back. Okay, label the sine, cosine, and tangent. Alright. Oh look, we got some prisms here. Or some actual prisms. I don't know if we're actually going to use this. Probably, because there's a reference sheet of the formulas. Good thing we don't have to memorize all those formulas in our head. That would suck. Good thing they gave us like a sheet that has them, so we don't have to remember it. Family of quadrilaterals. A polygon has 4 sides. Parallelogram is a quadrilateral with both pairs of opposite sides parallel. Find the slope of each side. This might be on here. I have a feeling this might be on the test. Okay, slope. Oh, I do y over x, y2 minus y1 equals over x2 minus x1. See, how can I remember this? Because we don't study the same thing for the whole school year. Because we need, there's a bunch of stuff we need to learn because we got to move on. Find the lengths of each side. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. Find the coordinates of midpoint of each diagonal. Okay. If diagonal of a quadrilateral bisect each other, then a quadrilateral is parallelogram. Consecutive angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. Opposite angles of parallelogram are congruent. Rise over run. Okay. Solve for the following using the theorems, properties of a parallelogram. Okay. Find the slope of each side. Oh boy. y2 minus y1 equals x2 over x1. I'm going to stop the video in about 10 minutes when it reaches an hour. So I'm going to do that. Perpendicular. PK. Find the lengths of each side. This is weird. Opposite sides are congruent. Opposite sides are parallel. Negative reciprocal. Slopes mean perpendicular. Perpendicular, it's like this coordinate has splits into four right angles that are 90 degrees. The lengths of the diagonals are congruent. Okay, let's see. XI 13 feet, FG 6 F measurement. Okay, these are all measurements. Measurement of F to X. X G I. I don't know how does that 20, but I don't know. X F I. T X F. Alright. Okay, cosine, sine. I already know this stuff. That good thing. Good thing. I'm glad that my math teacher played that song over and over, so I can. Not only it's not annoying, but I know it gets kind of old after a while. But it actually remembers. I'm gonna remember that song forever. That's good. Missing angles. Oh, so this is what you use. Okay. Okay, on this side, this is not math, I think. Yeah, this is other stuff. Okay. I think we're almost done, so that's good. Seriously, this is so much to look at. This is what happens when you're in high school. This game's almost over, and this video's gonna be over. Tomorrow I'm gonna make, tomorrow, I don't know how long it is, but I'm sure it'll be longer than an hour. Yeah. Okay. See, this is mostly scratch work, but I know what I'm doing. Proof guide. Okay, here's a guide. What am I trying to prove? Make a plan, label, work, mark up figure. Use what you know to prove the statement. Oh shoot, this is the, let's see. This is cosine. Okay, we mostly learn trigonometry. That's what that Sohcahtoa, sine, cosine, tangent. Which ratio should you use? Do not solve. Okay, I see. Statements. Oops. Special right triangles. We didn't really quite complete this, but let's see how this works. Set up the ratio. Decimals. Okay. Here we go. Here's an actual worksheet. Okay, sorry about that, guys. I was just checking something. I believe that's everything. So I'm gonna go, guys, because I'm pretty much done looking at everything. So thank you for watching. I'm gonna upload this right now and publish it. So I might watch the videos on my own. So spell effects. Okay. So one more video of this studying week. Yay, because I missed Monday, but oh well. Alright, so good night, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. So, tomorrow, biology again. So, that's it. Have a good night. Peace.